Question 17 here. Again, it is about trigonometry of any triangle. So we are going to apply sine law or cosine law in different cases. In this case, label that this is a parallelogram. AB is 60. And then ABD is 20 degree. And then BAD is 120 degree. Which means that angle ADB, we also know that is 40 degree. This is also 40. And then opposite sides are 60. And don't forget it's parallelogram. So opposite sides are the same. We need to find the length AD here. AD is talking about this line. So for easy reading, so I just let it be x. I just feel more comfortable to handle equation with x rather than AD. So if we look at the triangle, we want this one, and then we have 20 degree, we have 60, and then we have 120 degree, and we have 40 degree. So we have more angle. We have 3 angles, which is more than enough. And we have one side, two sides, and then 2 angles. So what we should do, we should use sine formula. So sine formula, sine this angle pair with this side. So sine 20 degree over x is equal to we have this length, so the corresponding pair is 40. Sine 40 degree divided by 60 is not that difficult. So 60 sine 20 degree, and then x sine 40 degree. X is equal to 60 sine 20 degree divided by this number, sine 40 degree. Then you just use your calculator. You should able to get x, that means AD, is equal to 31.9. Then we already finished. And then in part B, they say that we fold the paper. So this is the net. And then we make it become like a 3D diagram, 3D shape. Or you may simply use your paper to fold it. And then the criteria is point A and point C. Point A and point C, the distance is 40 cm. And then we need to find angle ABC. So the key point is, whenever you need to find an angle, you need to find out the corresponding 2D diagram containing the angle. So only face to contain angle ABC. ABC is talking about this surface. We are going to use this surface. And then of course it's difficult to read a 3D diagram. How does it look like? We need to rotate it from the top view. So I approximately draw, maybe it is like this, CB and A. Our criteria is AC is equal to 40. And then BC, don't forget it. Just now we find AD is around 31.9 something. So CD is also 31.9 something. You should already store this one in memory slot A. So a little bit more is, do we know AB? Of course we know AB is 60 degree. It's just these 2 lines are the same. So we know about AB is 60. We are finding angle ABC. We are finding this angle. I let it be theta again because I feel more convenient to write this in equation. So we have 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides together with 1 angles. Of course we are going to use cosine formula. In the point of view of exam, of course, we want to test your understanding, no matter sine formula or cosine formula. So of course, you use sine formula, you are going to use a cosine formula later on, most probably. Cosine formula, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine angle c. The only angle here is theta, so which means cosine c, we must use theta here. That means the corresponding c, the length, should be 40. That means this one should be replaced by 40, but not other size. So c squared is 40 squared, and then cosine angle c, that means cosine our target. A and B, that means another two sides, no matter which one first, are the same. So this is 39.1, 31.9, very careless mistake. 31.9. B is 60, and then minus 2 times 31.9 and 60. So after that, we group everything cosine to left hand side, solving equation only. And then this is 31.9 square plus 60 square minus 40 square. After that, you just use arc cosine, you may get the answer. The answer is 38.0 degree. And then don't forget to write angle ABC rather than just theta to answer the question clearly. So that means this angle is 38.0 degree. Now the last part, we need to find the angle between ABD, this plane, and BCD, and also this plane. To find the angle between two planes, there are only one method, is to find out the line to representing two planes. So to represent this plane, and the plane ABD, we need to draw a line which is perpendicular to our intercepting line BD, or anywhere draw a line here. So we may use this line or this line to represent this plane. Similar reason, if we are talking about the plane BCD, then we may draw a line which is perpendicular to DB to represent that plane, or anywhere, just make sure it is perpendicular. The key point is you cannot compare AC together. It's because from point A perpendicular to BD, perpendicular, and then project to a line CD, this will become another point. So you just compare A. If you compare the plane AEC, is totally useless. So and also don't forget, this is somehow related in part A and the previous part. In case that we try to start drawing from point C, so C and then draw a line which is perpendicular to BD, and on the plane ABD, we also need to draw a line from some point along AB to this point, and then which is perpendicular also, and then I may let this one be point E. So our target is finding the angle here. We use theta already, so I use find. We are going to find the angle here. I'm concerning about this plane. But how can we do that? first, we already know BC. BC is 31.9 something something. It's easier to understand in this figure in the net, so I use this. Which is perpendicular. So, and then this one, maybe I let it be A, B, C, D, E, F. Maybe I let this be F. So this point is F. And then after that, we just continue to draw a blue line, which is from this point, perpendicular also. So this is point E. And then our mission is no more about this triangle. I want to know as much as length or angle that we have. So, about red line, this is 39. This is 31.9 something something, which means this one is 31.9 something something times sine 40 degree. We got one line already. After that, we also need this line. So this is connected by FB. It is connected by FB here. So if we focus here, this is 31.9 something something times cosine 40 degree. And then we can get the blue line here now. It is 31.9 times cosine 40 degree. And then the whole thing times tangent 20 degree. So, among three lines here, we already get two lines, which is this line and this line. What we need is the space between E and C. But don't forget what is found in part B1. We got ABC already, angle ABC. So we got angle ABC is 38.0 degree. So we draw the 2D diagram. It is C, this is B, and then this is E. And this is 38.0 degree. This is 31.9 something something cm. And then our target is finding EC. With EC again, then we can use cosine formula to find out what is our target angle find. But we're still missing EB here. So go back to the net and then see whether we can get EB. Okay, EB is here. So we can still get it. This is 31.9 cosine 40 degree from this line, and then divided by cosine 20 degree. Even it's complicated, we can still get it. So here, this is I forgot it. 31.9 cosine 40 degree divided by cosine 20 degree. So with this line together with this angle, we are going to use cosine formula again. EC square is equal to 26.2577 something square, and then plus 31.9 something square minus 2. So we got this cosine formula equation, and then we just solve EC afterward. EC is around 19.67 something. And then, so we already have three lines successfully. So we have this line and this line and this line. Now we are going to finish the final step. For the final triangle, to get draw a 2D diagram first. E, F, C. Our target is finding this one. Find here. EC is we did lots of things to find it out. And then FC. FC is the red color line. So this is talking about 31.9 times sine 40 degree. And then FE is the blue line, so it is 31.9 cosine 40 degree and then tangent 20 degree. So we are going to use this line to use find cosine formula again. So we have this angle, fine, so we need to use EC squared is equal to EF squared and then plus FC squared and then minus 2EF FC cosine phi. So cosine phi is equal to EF squared plus FC squared and then minus EC squared divided by 2 times EF and FC. So you will get the answer later on is 71.9 degree by yourself. So that's all for question 17. It's a little bit trouble and not many marks, but basically we just still keep applying sine formula, cosine formula, finding the net, and understand the meaning. What is the angle between two different planes? Is find the find a line to represent the corresponding plane, and then we are talking about the angle between those lines. Then we got the answer. That's all.